Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with just 2 files and one intent. Run JavaScript in the browser. Create index, HTML and script, JS, then add script src equals script, JS/script right before /body. Save both files and open index. HTML in your browser. Once opened, make sure DevTools is visible, F12 or CMD plus option plus I. You will use the console to see output. Now add a sample line like console. Log hello to script, JS and save. You move from writing to inspecting. Type expressions directly in the console to test ideas fast, then paste working code into script, JS. Once done, reload the page to run the file. Errors appear in console with line numbers so you can jump to the source. Make sure to set breakpoints in the sources or debugger panel to step through functions and observe variable values. If a change doesn't apply, check caching. Use Ctrl+Shift+R to force reload or disable cache in DevTools. You finish by validating and handling common failures. Test your page in another browser to ensure consistent behavior and inspect console for syntax errors or missing resource messages that indicate wrong paths. Once done, minify or bundle only if needed. For learning, keep separate files. If something goes wrong, make sure the script tag path is correct and disable cache in DevTools, then reload. If errors persist, paste the exact console message into a search or ask for help with the error text.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.